Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm. I have my coat on because I just came inside. You guys are going to be like, Ruthie, how come you always have your coat off outside and your coat on inside? I don't know. Just go figure. Just worked out like that because I just walked in. But I walked in and I said, I got to show my followers these. What these are transfers. And they're only like $1 and you get like a ton of them. And you put them on like your iron and transfer them onto fabric, pillowcases, bedspreads, clothing, whatever you want. And you get them in these like little packets like this. Some of them are really old fashioned, which I like. And some are like this. And this particular one came in, it stuck to the big thing. It's upside down. And it's this one is the iron-on, just says iron-on transfers and has animals. I've never done them like that before, and I was buying a lot of embroidery stuff, and Clay goes, "Why don't you try this?" And I said, "Okay, we'll see how that works." And of course, I'm doing my adult coloring too to try to get to be a better artist, and so I can use it in my Bible journaling and in my embroidery and my sewing and all that stuff. It's sticking to that. So let me know if you've ever tried these. We also went to the Mennonite store and we got some of this to transfer paper. So I haven't tried this yet, but I'm going to try that and see how that works too. And just monkey around and see how the different tools work. And there's also special pencils that I got too. I didn't bring those out, but you use them like some are light that you use on dark fabric, and some are like red and blue. So it kind of goes according to what you're transferring on. And the reason you would use the transfer pencil is you can put it on your fabric, and then when you wash it, it comes out. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.